Okay, quickie mechanical how-to tip. You got a big bolt, you got your wrench on it, and you cannot get enough leverage on it to move it. Well, you can grab a hammer and whack on it if you really want to. Or you can double your leverage by adding another wrench. My auto shop teacher many years, obviously a lot of years ago, I'm old, called this wrench sistering. So adding a sister wrench, a second wrench. You find the term used in carpentry and woodworking when they put two beams or boards or joists or whatever together, they bolt them or nail them together, they sister them together. So it's called sistering. So this one is a 21mm bolt. It's on a suspension shock and it's really, I can yank on it, put all my weight on it, it's not moving. I take another wrench, hook the closed end to the open end. It's a bit of a balancing act. And now it turns. Simple. You basically doubled your strength, maybe even more. I don't know. I would have to measure and do some type of leverage thing. But anyway, wrench sistering works beautifully. Thanks.